Welcome! In this tutorial, we will show you how to use labeling and measurement tools in visionCATS to enhance visualization and support detailed evaluation of chromatographic data. Open an analysis file, select an image in the Data tab, and activate Labels to display name and position information. Adjust the font size of the labels to improve visibility as needed. Additional details, such as vial ID, description, application volume, and track number, can also be displayed. Click the RF tool to add application position and solvent front lines. These can be repositioned and scaled according to your requirements. All RF tool settings and modifications can be reset at any time using the Reset RF Tool Positions button. Click the Tracks button to overlay a track grid on the image. Use the Adjust Tracks Position function to refine the grid alignment. Additional lines can be added to facilitate comparison of zones across different tracks. Select a band to display its RF value using the RF Tip tool. Metric distances can also be displayed directly on the image for precise measurement. These tools enable precise visualization, labeling, and comparison of chromatographic data, supporting accurate and efficient analysis in visionCATS. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.